Hello, I'm Margot Mott, and in this short video we're going to show you how to measure yourself. This can be done in inches or centimetres. It's important though to have the aid of someone to help you in front of a mirror. It's a step-by-step, easy to do, and of course it is made in Australia, here on the Gold Coast. So when you look at the skirt itself, everybody's got a different leg line. And when you look at that, you take it from the waistline, right there, not at the side, not at the front, but sort of in the middle between those two sections. That'll give you the correct leg line that you so desire. When you look in the mirror, if you don't have good knees, you need to cover them. And if you feel that you'd like to take it further down, by all means you take it all the way down to suit. The idea about legs is when you put your legs together, like in this case, the legs are together, you'll notice how there is a very strong join in this position here. And where that is usually the correct length in measuring a skirt. Now the other thing is important is your waistline. Take it right around the front, see what your waistline's doing, an inch above the navel, and then you take the measurements in that position there. We then take you to the actual hip line, which is around the tum-tum, and the hip line itself, the biggest part, is so important. They are the most important measurements in ordering a skirt. Thank you.